Now, commercial rents in Dubai have slumped about 60% since their peak in 2008. Standard Chartered thinks property prices will fall for another 2 years before bottoming out. Well, with me now is Marwan bin Ghalita, the head of the Dubai government's Real Estate Regulatory Authority, which actually oversees the development and construction industry in the Emirates. So you're really the perfect person to discuss this story with. Property prices still falling at the moment. You've got additional supply coming to the market as builders complete their projects. Is that a problem for you right now?
As a real estate regulator, if I look to the market today, it's better than yesterday, and it's better than last year. Supply is being maintained by us, controlled by us. It's a very big issue nowadays. Everybody's talking about it. But we are putting a proper plan to watch out for supply. Prices are doing fine in some area. In some area, they are not doing good. It depends on the investor choice, because the prices went so high previously in 2008 and 2009. Now everything is back to the reality, to a good value.
More where it should be, you're saying.
Where it should be, and a good attractive for the investors and end-user investors.
And how many projects have you cancelled? How many are you expecting to cancel next year?
So far, we already have cancelled 115 projects. Those are the projects that's not visible to make. 77 is already in the interview.
Okay.
So if a total of about, the numbers will come to about 245. It's been under investigation and review. If it's not visible for the economy or for the investor themselves, because the way it used to be, it's investor-driven. Today, if the investor are saying, we don't want those projects, so we should look at them and just cancel them.
And next year more?
I'm talking about next year projection.
Oh, next year projection.
Yeah, so I'm talking about next year projection. This is the assumption we made last year, that about 25% will be cancelled.
And what about buyers who are stuck, who have no power to actually recover their investments? Are steps being taken to compensate them?
The way we are doing it, we are using project by project. So a lot of investors, we are already established a section where they come with the developer and we find a mutual understanding for them. If the money is already in the escrow account, and this is the good thing about it, a lot of projects, they have escrow account money. We do the settlement and everybody take his compensation and the project is cancelled. I just witnessed one case. We have refunded to the investor 85% of their investment without a case dispute or without any problem between them and the developer.
But there are also those saying that even when you issue a document, because a big part of your job is to put in place laws that tie customers' payments to the progress in construction, right? So how enforceable are these laws?
So far, after the crisis, it's happened. We have changed all the payment terms. Previously, it was linked to a date. But when TRERA stepped down, and now all the payment is linked to construction. If there is no construction on the site, there is no payment is being done to the developer. So, and this is forcible, and it's working very fine for everybody.
Are you finding many buyers just want to get out now because they own unfinished properties that are worth less now than what they owe on mortgages?
You will be surprised. I am seeing the opposite. A lot of investors who are the true believer of Dubai, they are still paying. We have already spent about 2.5 billion of the trust account money for the projects already in progress. There is some investors who, the speculators, I will call them, they did a bad decision. Nowadays, they want to back up. But the majority of the investors whom I'm meeting and seeing, as long as the project is progressing, they are paying, and they need their property.
What about these reports coming out? In fact, shares in Dubai fell to their lowest in a couple of months just yesterday on these reports that prices in property have further to fall, that they haven't bottomed out yet.
You cannot look at the report independently. You have to look at the source of the report, the data that's coming. But yes, if you will compare,
credible Standard Chartered.
If you will compare to 2008 price where it wasn't high, yes, it's always going to show negative. But look at it from the attractive side of the business. Business still giving 12% yield in Dubai. 8 to 12, which is a very good market for any investor who are a long-term investor here in Dubai. He will come and he will get 12% free of tax and easy process to register your property. So the environment is good. So this is the time, if you look at it as a long-term investor.
Actually could be a good buying opportunity right now,
this is the proper time to enter to the market.
Right, well, Marwan bin Ghalita, good to talk to you, head of Dubai's Government Real Estate Regulatory Authority. Thank you very much for taking the time to come in. Appreciate it.
Thank you.